welcome back. Today I have something new. We have Playmobil Ghostbusters 2. There are 24 pieces in this set. It does say it's for ages 6 plus, and this set number is 9349. And the really cool thing about this, it has a little scan code, and you can actually put this piece onto your phone to play. I don't know what it does, but it looked pretty cool. And this set was at Dollarama in Canada, which is very similar to the Five Below in the United States. Look at how cute this is. Look at the cute little box. There's the Ghostbuster symbol with his two fingers saying Ghostbuster 2 and showing you how to put this piece, which is where they capture the ghost, into the phone. And then here's everything that you get with the YouTube channel link that will show you how to set this up. So let's go ahead and just get this open. Oh, and I'm sorry, it's Zeddemore. So let's go ahead and open this and look at the cool way they have the box. This way you can just push in and pull out to open it, I think. There it goes. So easy. You know I normally struggle with packaging. That was so easy. Now can we get this part open? There it goes. Okay, even with easy open packaging, I am struggling. Got all that stuff inside. Oh, look at everything. This is so amazing. Look at this. Oh, there's the slime. Look, oh my gosh. Oh, there's the containment thing. Oh, look, it says Playmobil with the Ghostbusters. What are these? Oh, stickers. Oh my gosh, there's just so much. And what is this? What is this? Is this a stand? I don't know what that is. Okay. And there are two little instruction booklets. So this one just shows you the set we have, other sets available. Oh, look at all, there's the car, Marshmallow Man, there's station. So this one is just an ad. And then this one should be, oh my gosh, this is a little catalog of all the Playmobil stuff. Look at that. Do you know what this would be perfect for? This right here would make an amazing catalog for your American Girl dolls. You can put it on their living room and it's full color. It's a little big, but you know what? Christmas, there's the Christmas Wish catalog or the Toys R Us catalog. There's the Amazon toy catalog. I got one of those in the mail. Look at that. That would be, this is a keep for those who have American Girl dolls. Or if you collect Playmobil, but you know someone with American Girl dolls, I would give them this. They would really appreciate it. So that means that this must be the instructions. I think it is. Oh my. This is huge. Look at how big, and it's double-sided. Okay. Wow. So, let's actually get a good look at this. So the first page, let me get that for you, shows the actual set, and then we flip it over, and it shows 1, 2, so what we're getting. This is the base to this where they capture the ghost, their little ghost trap. It has instructions to set it up on the phone. And then on this side, it actually shows you how to put them together. So, but it does not show what I'm supposed to do with this little Playmobil box. Does it? Oh, there's where it shows me what to do with the box. Okay, it's for the phone. It creates a little shadowing. Okay. Okay, so let's start with that. So it folds this way. So you fold it so that the dark side is down. Does this tear? Okay. There. Oh, okay, I understand. And then this will slide into here. Okay. Oh my. There. And it looks like that, but mine's not sticking. I don't know. Maybe I need to put a little piece of tape. And then when you put the character in, you know, it's a nice dark shadowy area. Sort of like that. Because it's got that one side, I guess. I don't know what we're going to do with that. Let's get the bags open. I want to see the bags. So I got my scissors and let's just cut. There's all of our pieces. So here's our Ghostbuster. Look at that. There's so much detail on his suit. I love it. Look at his little armbands. Okay, what else do we have? Oh, his vest. How do we put his vest on? There. I don't know if that's the right way to put his vest on, but we got his vest on. What else do we have? I may have to follow the instructions because I don't know. Okay, now we need all the pieces because the other pieces are in here. Okay, let's get this bag open. All right. Oops. Now we have all the pieces, and now we can put this thing together. So, this piece. Okay. I think I get it. I need the instructions. Are you guys good at putting these things together? Because apparently, I am not. Okay, there we go. These go here. Maybe? Is there a right way and a wrong way to put these things together? Oh, there is a right way and a wrong way. Okay, my fault. Okay, so when you follow the instructions, it's much easier to put these things together. Now, this piece goes on, whoops, here. There, that's his little backpack almost. And then it clips onto here. Okay. There, that's why they include instructions. Okay. Now we need this part. So this, it's like Lego. Okay. Okay. And then, look at that. He's got the slime out. Now let's build his little proton pack. Oh, wait a minute. This thing connects to this. I don't know how. Did I stick this? Oh. Does that look right? I don't think that looks right. Because it goes like that. Okay. Okay, now it makes sense. And we forgot his little mittens. He has mittens. That's what these are. Oh, I just dropped my Ghostbuster. Oh my gosh, look at his little mittens. Okay, that's cute. Then he can hold on to this to catch those ghosts. Oh, that's cute. All right, let's do his box. And that's on this side. Okay. So we got this thing. This thing. Oh, look at that. Uh-huh. I don't know where this goes. Was this part of the other one? They gave us extra pieces. It is like Lego. That's an extra mitten. Okay. Ah. It opens and closes. Guys, I am not good at this. There, that's his little pack. Okay. Watch my arm, sorry. Now we put the stickers on. This is starting to make sense now. How do we get the stickers off? There. Okay. And now he can catch the ghosts. Okay. There's our little stickers. And then this connects to here because they have to trap the ghosts. And he throws it. And then I guess these are just extra pieces. Oh, no. This connects to this. And then this. Wrong way. Okay, this piece goes in the middle to make the base. And then it connects to this so that they can catch the ghost. So he can shoot the slime. And then this is just a really cool sticky slime. Let's get that open. So he can he can shoot the slime. It goes in there. It gets captured and it goes into the little box. This I like. I like this set. Should we review more of this type of thing? Some more Playmobil and other fun stuff? Because I really like this catalog and I could do with getting some more for my dolls. Let me know in the comments. Do you want to see more Playmobil? I don't know. Let me know. That's it for this week, guys. I will talk to you next time. Bye.